In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a header and footer in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add clean, consistent text at the top and bottom of your design and how to style it so it looks polished and on brand. Start by opening Canva and creating a new design. Click Create a design, then pick the size that matches your project, like a standard letter page, a presentation slide, or a custom dimension. If you're unsure, choose a template size that matches where this will be used, print, web, or social, so the header and footer scale correctly. Give the canvas a moment to load, and you'll see your blank page ready to go. For the header, head over to the left panel and click Text. Choose Heading to insert a bold, prominent text box. This will be your main identifier at the top. Think document title, section name, or brand line. Once it appears on your canvas, click and drag the text box up toward the top edge of the page. As you move it, watch for Canva's smart guides. Those purple lines help you center and align your header precisely. Leave a little breathing room from the edge so it doesn't feel cramped and stays within safe margins if you plan to print. Now, style your header using the toolbar at the top. Select a font that reflects your brand or the mood of the document. Adjust the size to make it clearly stand out, and choose a color with enough contrast for readability. You can fine-tune letter spacing and line height if needed. Keep it simple and consistent. A clean header sets the tone for everything that follows. Next, create the footer. Again, click Text from the left panel, but this time choose body text or subheading. The footer is typically smaller and more informational. Think page info, a short tagline, or a date. Drag this new text box to the bottom of the page. Use the guides to center it or align it left or right depending on your layout. As with the header, maintain a small margin from the bottom to keep it legible and professional. Style the footer in the top toolbar. Pick a smaller font size than your header and consider a lighter weight or a subtle color to avoid competing with your main content. Set alignment to match your design style and adjust spacing so it's easy to read without drawing too much attention. That's it. Your header and footer are in place, cleanly aligned, and styled for clarity and consistency.